Good morning. Welcome back to the online classes of KVI Academy. Myself Lata Mishra, and today I am going to teach class 2nd SST chapter 17. Learn about weather and seasons. Chapter 17 class 2. Learn about weather and season. Our earth has a layer of air around it. Changes in this layer of air makes a place hot and cold, wet and dry. The condition of the air of a place. At a particular time is called weather. You feel hot when the sun shines bright. You feel cold when the wind blows. When it rains, you get wet. Hot, cold, windy, snowy and rainy are different types of weather. Hot, cold, rainy, windy are the different types of weather. Hot, cold, windy, snowy and rainy are the different types of weather. Weather could be cold in the morning but hot in the afternoon, or cloudy or rainy in the evening. Weather affects our daily life. Now students, come to seasons. There are 4 types of seasons: spring, summer, but we will read about 5 types of seasons: autumn and winter. Summer season. Summer is the hottest season. Very hottest season. In India, summer months are April, May and June. We live in India, and the months of here summer are April, May and June. We wear light clothes in summer. Cotton clothes keeps us cool in the summertime. Now, next is monsoon season. In India, monsoon season is called rainy season. Monsoon is the wettest season of the year. Monsoon lasts from July to October. We get a lot of rain during this season. We wear raincoats and gumboots when we go out in the rain. We also use umbrellas. Third is autumn season. It is the season of monsoon before winter. Winter season is the coldest season. In India, winter months are November, December and January. November, December and January. During this season, the sun is mild, cold winds blows. We wear woolen clothes and enjoy the sun during the day. We use heaters and light fires to keep ourselves warm. We enjoy eating dry fruits and many other hot things. Students, I am going to repeat this. When the weather is the same for many months, it's called season. There are 5 main seasons in India. Hot, they are spring, summer, monsoon, autumn and winter. Summer season. Summer season is the hottest season. The months of summer season are April, May and June. Okay, next is monsoon season. The month of monsoon season are July to October. Winter season. It is the coldest season. The months of winter season are November, December and January. Thank you, students.